Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Today we are going to be unboxing my February Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. Is it just me, or is this month's box bigger than usual? I don't know why, I just feel like it looks so huge. Before I start the unboxing, I have everything pulled up on my phone, and I'm going to tell you guys what Ipsy chose for me, what I chose, and I think I got an add-on this month too. Here's the inside of the box, and all of the boxes are open, so I'm nervous. Literally, this is how I took the first product out of the actual box. First up is this Malin and Goethez Recovery Treatment Oil. Ipsy picked this out for me. This is an oil that will help address fine lines and wrinkles, and there's a bunch of antioxidant rich oils that will nourish and hydrate the skin as well. I've never heard of this brand, but I love a good face oil. Again, see, it's open. Like, why, Ipsy? Why? Next up is the Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser from INN Beauty Project. I tried another product from this brand. I think it was like a setting spray, and I really liked it, and I can never find this brand. I think it's in Sephora, but I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a hydrating cleanser that washes away makeup, dirt, and debris without stripping your skin, and it'll hydrate, smooth, and strengthen. I'm very excited to try this out. Next up is the Liquid Cosmic Blush in Mercury Moves from a brand called Love and Craft and Beauty. So I chose this. I've never heard of this brand before, but let's swatch. Ooh, it's a pretty light pink. I will be using this for the springtime. Next up is the Battle Prep Eye Primer in Blank Canvas from Tease Cosmetics, and I also picked this. I've been needing an eyeshadow primer, and I just have not picked one up, so I'm going to put it over here. Very excited to give it a try. I've also never heard of Tease Cosmetics before. The packaging is really cute. Next up we have the Ace Beauté Mystic Romance Eyeshadow Palette. Ipsy chose this for me. I think this palette is really pretty. I didn't think I was going to like this at all, but I'm excited to try this. Some of the shimmer shades are stunning. They look like they're going to be stunning. Devotion and Starry. I will be using this next week. And then as an add-on, I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Rum Punch. This is just a shade that is right up my alley, so let's swatch it. Oh, that's really pretty. Anytime Anastasia is an add-on, their lipsticks, I always get them because they're so cheap, but this is a really sloppy swatch, but it's such a pretty color. And that is everything from this month's Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm really excited to try all these products. I also got products from brands I've never heard before, like this one from Love and Craft and Beauty, and then Malin and Goethez. I've never tried them, so I'm excited to give them a try. The one thing I am a little annoyed about is the fact that every single box was open within the box. I just wish Ipsy packaged their boxes a little better. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That is always linked down below, and that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.